want to help and reach as many traders as I can out there within these quick 59 seconds with 3 tips that can help you grow your actual accounts when it comes to trading futures. Number 1, start small. You do not need to put large sums of money into your account. Compounding is the way to grow. I'll talk about the 5% rule, so spend some time watching the video content that will help you grow your account to a larger amounts of money. Okay. Number 2, market structure. Master that concept because the market can only move in 3 different directions, up, down, or sideways. When it comes to supply and demand, we're looking for great opportunities to trade back at key areas of supply and demand. And that leads me into number 3. Take only high probability setups where you have an imbalance or gap resting back at them, where the banks are going to love coming back and fulfilling orders at. Do these 3 things, and in time, your account size will grow. You'll become more of a profitable trader, and you'll be more pleased with yourself and the success of where you have ended up at.